balance each other out when it comes to global warming. That has been proved in studies by scientists all over the place. Are we supposed to stop nature by doing what it does so we can breathe in clean stuff? The climate has always changed and it still is changing. How are you supposed to stop it from changing when it's naturally occurring? The average global temperature has not changed since 1995. That says something when people are saying it's getting hotter and hotter and hotter and it hasn't changed. That, yeah. It has gone down since 2002, which is the opposite of global warming. Mankind can and has adapted to everything so far, so why can't we adapt if it's such a big problem? It hasn't been a problem for a lot of people yet. Why spend so much money on this when we have more important things to spend our money on? That's $106.7 billion from 2003 to 2010 on global warming. And then the 31,000 scientists have signed a petition that saying that there's no scientific evidence saying this is happening. Human releases of CO2 cannot cause climate change, as any increases in CO2 are balanced by nature. There was a question asked earlier that said that that was not true, and our sources say that that is true. So, yeah.
So, climate change is predicted to affect the future of humanity. The temperature will increase drastically, therefore increasing heat waves in southern areas and some northern areas, leading to a decrease in water resources. The greenhouse gas concentration will continue to increase in the future if we do not limit the amount of CO2 we put in the atmosphere. An increase in greenhouse gas concentrations is also expected to lead to an increase in temperatures and other climate changes. Some parts of the world will have increasing temperatures more than the global averages. Temperature increase is predicted to lead to more wildfires, longer periods of droughts, and an increase in the number, time, and intensity of tropical storms. The global average of precipitation is likely to increase in the future, and northern areas are predicted to become wetter while southern areas continue to get drier. This will also lead to a decrease in drinking water access. Convection plays a role in the formation of thunderstorms. Heavy thunderstorms are likely to increase as precipitation is continuing to increase. Severe thunderstorms and hurricanes are a threat to humanity in many different ways, including threats to building roads, crops, and other structures in our own lives. Ice, snowpack, and permafrost continue to decrease as temperatures increase. With this decreasing, winter sports we play outside will also decrease. Melting the ice is predicted to lead to sea level rise. As sea level rises, the amount of flooding likely to occur increases. Ocean acidification continues to increase, wiping out ocean creatures and disturbing our ecosystem. This also plays a role in global warming. And when Michael said climate change is not man-made, cars are man-made and factories are man-made. They don't just poof into the atmosphere. You have to make them. And greenhouse gases is one of the main causes of climate change, and therefore they will affect the future of humanity. Some researchers have suggested moving to cleaner energy sources as the best way to lower greenhouse gas emissions. Greenhouse gas cause changes in our food production and fresh water supply. Carbon dioxide in the air and cloud cover will also lead to more climate changes. Every single climate change we have mentioned is said to impact our food supply, water resources, infrastructure, ecosystems, and our own human health. To sum it all up, climate change is likely to worsen poverty, water scarcity, flooding, heat waves, droughts, and diseases.
I think I'll stop.